Hello, welcome from our podcast program. I'm your host, Margaret, and now I have a very special guest uh, to talk about ICT or something that how it is work. So, can you introduce yourself? And like I'm just curious and also want to explore how you are doing currently. Yes.
First of all, thank you, Margaret, for bringing me here in this podcast program. My name is Luke Jotula. Luke is a Christian name. Jotula is a Burmese name. So I I was born in the Zagain division in Myanmar. Then I came to Yangon, and now I am in Pinyasaye. It is a teachers training schools situated in Rangoon. So in this school, I am teaching some of the skills of the ICT. No? ICT, let's say, uh, is it about technology, today technology? Okay, but technology uh, that is integrated to education. So it would be very broad to talk. No? Okay.
Yes, thank you. So, you teach, currently you teach ICT, right? So, can you, now, like mention specifically, or can you a little bit contract your topic, like how do you teach them, how they learn, and then how it is going, in your topic, I mean, in your subject like ICT. I mean, which aspect, let's say in ICT, there are many experts, right? But which subject or mainly you focus? Yes.
Okay. So when we talk about ICT, it is abroad for sure, but we will separate the ICT, IT, and CT. Let's say IT is technology into more technical experts. IT, information technology, and the CT is a communication technology. So, for example, when we use a mobile phone, cell phone to talk one another from a very far place, and we call video call, this is communication. But that communication get involved technology. So that's what we call communication technology. So let's say when you browse a website like say www.psmmember.com, then you will get some information about PNSA. So that is what you are trying to search the data, right? When you browse the website, you search the data. You want data. That's what your objective to find the data. It is from PNSA. They want to know what informations are from PNSA. So it is information technology. So we use web technology, web browsing, website. This is a technology. But information is there. So we use information technology. Right now we are streaming and we are doing this podcasting. Is this we want to communicate from people around the world. This is what we call communication. And then we are using this technology, setting up the microphone. It is a technology. So communication technology. That is. So to conclude your points, what I'm doing right now in Pinyasayi is this educational schools, right? For teachers trainer. So teacher to become a teachers. For those teachers in this 21st centuries, for sure they might need a lot of technical skills. For example, if you want to become a teacher, like you don't have to teach the old way, like 1999 old way, the 1980 old ways. We don't use that method. It's very old, right? But sometimes we might. But in the aspect of the today world, we don't use the old methods. Students sitting there and teachers teaching and writing on the whiteboard or blackboard. That is the old way. But today in the classroom, we are using technology for teaching and learning. So why we need it? Because teachers, if you want to be more innovative and creative in the classroom, you might need these skills. So I teach the ICT in the aspect of education. Yes.
So yes, like as you mentioned, in aspect of education. So I would like to explore more about, yes, this is quite popular about edtech. I had that educational technology. So can you also say about something about that one?
Okay.
Yes.
Educational technology is how we use technology in education. Let's say we're doing podcast again, this example. So if you own a school or if you are a teacher in a school, you can create that kind of environment, the podcast. Because for making this podcast, student can practice their speaking skill. Firstly, their language skill, and the speaking skill and the communication skill using educational technology. This is a technology, but we use in education. So that is one example.
Thank you. I also, and then I think, I hope, not I think, I hope, and then I'm sure that my audience or friend will also learn. And then I'd like to know more about how you think on AI, and also like ChatGPT or something like that, because in this time, many of students use ChatGPT or something, but sometimes it's also help, but as you know, everything is there that had disadvantage, advantages, right? So can you say something about that one? Yes.
Okay. Before we talk about the AI, we have to understand in technology in the response. For example, um, AI AI is just a technology, just a technology, but that has more advanced intelligence. It has more intelligence, like human being, like artificial human being. So there are also today people are talking about AI. But if we are what AI we are talking about is mostly we know generated AI.
Yes.
So generated AI means that can generate the data type. That means like photos, videos,
Yes.
audios, and the document and the text also. Let's say if you want to create a music, you don't have to go like the traditional way. Just use AI with your own voice. And there are many tools creating these tools, no, for you also. If you want to get photos of like that never exist, you can based on your imagination, you can write a prompt in that website.
Yes.
You will get what you want. That creates this intelligence. So in education also, teachers and students and they're trying to explore some things.
Yes.
So to talk about this, there are many, let's say, downside and the advantages
Yes,
sides.
of course.
So that has more big topic to go on. But with your points, the AI is right now in this level, in this way. Huh? Okay.
Yes.